It's time for the Monday market update. More of the same here in the Twin Cities market. Rates hovering right around those high 6s to low 7s, and a continual gradual decline into the winter season before things pick up in 2025. But today I wanted to talk about a business planning seminar that we are hosting here at our office on December 19th between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. It should be a very simple workshop that'll help you to clear up what your plans are for 2025 and give you action steps for how you're going to accomplish them. So if you're interested in that, we're going to have a form down below that you can fill out, and we will reach back out to you to make sure you are confirmed for the event. But again, if you're looking to grow your business in 2025, we'd love to see you here at our office in Hopkins for the business planning seminar. So hope to see you soon, and we'll see you next week.